Hey guys, welcome to Joy Anthology's info segment. Today we're going to cover customizing your canvas, creating your event, and demonstrating your wedding guest experience app. So let's get started. We're on the Customize Your Canvas page. It's really straightforward. Obviously, the first thing you're going to do is type in your name. You can do your first names, you can do your last name. It really is entirely up to you. Let's see, I want to go with the letter color there. Next, we're going to do background colors. Now, if you noticed, you probably would want to instinctively put in your wedding date. You don't enter your wedding date at this stage. You're going to enter your wedding date when you get into the page of configuring your event. So that's just an FYI, a heads up. Don't panic. You will enter your wedding date. You'll just do it at a different point. So let's look at background colors. We have got so many color choices for you. We intentionally made sure that you had amazing choices to coordinate with whatever your wedding color palette is or whatever your home decor is. We just wanted to make sure that we had good classic colors, bolds, soft, neutrals, just good colors that will coordinate. Next, you want to choose your tree choice. We have classic, we have modern, we have rustic, and we have birch. On the majority of our tree choices, you can do birds and hearts. You can do no birds, you can do no heart. It really is up to you. It's however you like it and however way you want to design it. You can choose different tree colors if you like. If you want to go bold and contrasty, you certainly can. You can keep them neutral and soft. It's really whatever your taste is and how you like it. So super versatile. You can even do a pop of color with your birds. Now let's go with our font choices. Since we decided to go birch, I do like birch. I love modern too. Well, let's see. Should we go a little scrolly? Let's do that. I like that. Simple, beautiful, classic. And again, you could spend all day designing, play with it, have fun. But we're going to leave it there for now. Let's save that. Now we're going to go into configure your event. This is where you create your web address, and you can put this everywhere. Put your web address on your wedding website and let people know what you want them to do and how much time they have to do it. You can put it on all of your social media outlets. If you've got private events created for your wedding, that's also a good resource and a good location for your web address. That web address is customized completely to how you want it, your last names, whatever. You've got 16 characters to work with, so play with that, have fun. The most critical for your wedding day is going to be your code, your event code. And that's what you're going to create, and that's what your guests are going to text to our telephone number. So the most critical thing right off the top is enable the text feature. Make sure you have that box clicked. If you don't, when they text your event code, they're going to get a message that says, darn it, sorry, we couldn't find your event, or maybe it's expired. So make sure that's clicked. Second, when you're creating your event code, keep it short and capitalize the first letter. Everyone's phones normally just default to capitalize that first letter, so just allow that to be. It just makes it easier for everyone. And then, of course, if your code is short, then it also minimizes the possibility of typing errors. And now here's where you put your wedding date in. So super straightforward, pick your date, put it in. Then you get to pick your image. This is the image that everyone's going to see, so pick your favorite, pick one that's fun, choose whatever you like, but that's where you're going to put it. And then finally on here, we have a lovely message that we have created for you, but you certainly can type in any message you'd like. We've got thank you for being a part of our special day. Love you. We would love to capture your attendance. So it just tells them what we want them to do, and then it gives them a couple little tips to make sure that they're producing a really nice quality photo to upload. And that's it for configuring your event. Now comes the fun. It's the guest participation or guest experience. Now this is where you see your code. This is where you see the telephone number, the 515-329-7824 number. This is what you want on your wedding guest experience signage for your wedding day. The signs that you're going to have on your guest book table, signs that you're going to have at your reception. So there's also great resources on our Pinterest page for great signage examples, since the wording's a little bit different from the traditional Sign Our Guest Book. So check out Pinterest. There's great resources there. And if that's causes anxiety for you, hey, not a problem. We have created so many signs for wedding couples. Send us the images. We'll be more than happy to create that signage for you. There's also some great tips on here on wedding your wedding guest experience signs and where to place them, and some other great information. Check that out, read it. It's good information to know and have. Once your guests text your code to the telephone number, they're going to get a link, and when they click that link, they're going to see your event, and it's awesome. They're going to see your names, your picture is going to show them what's going to happen, and then they're going to type in their name, and they're going to take their picture and either upload it from their gallery, or they're going to take a selfie and upload it. And that's it. It's that simple. And it's going to then show them what's going to happen after they upload their picture. So it is so much fun. Wedding guests love this. And if you didn't realize or figure out right then and there, this is something that your wedding guest book attendants can do for your guests. They can have this on their phone or a tablet right there at the wedding guest experience table. For those that aren't comfortable using their phone or wanting to get it out, your guest book attendants can be right there, type in their names, and take their picture and submit their entry, and they can do this pretty much all day long. And as far as you can add entries as well, just like I've been doing. If you've got loved ones that are no longer with you and you want to add their image to your canvas to have it, you can do it too. It's just so awesome. And again, send it to people that can't attend your wedding so they can add their entry. And then that way your canvas is going to be full of all of those wonderful people, friends and family that love you so much that you want to walk by your canvas and see their faces and smile every time. You're going to love it. So that's it for this segment, guys. We customized our canvas, we created our event, and we had some fun with the Wedding Guest Experience app. Next time, we're going to check out the preview and edit feature. So tune back in for that one. That's awesome. And again, if you have any questions, don't hesitate to send us a message or contact us on any of our social media outlets. So then don't forget to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. And to learn more about this amazing product, go to joyanthology.com. Again, thanks for tuning in. Joy out.